This job for Prime Pressure Solutions was in Oakland County, Michigan. This driveway was dirty as can be, and we got all the dirt and grime off of it with our surface washer. We upgraded our surface washer. Now we got a big 20-inch one you'll see in some of our videos. This was our older one we're going to use as a backup. But enjoy the rest of this video. As always, give us a like, give us a follow, comment on our videos. It's a great way to help us so we can produce more cool power washing content. We'll see you soon.